in an undisclosed location. Previous time, epic win. Worst one time. I thought these were locked with the key. But it's okay, it works. Oh, it has a rear door. 7.
Thank you.
Going up? What floor?
7. 5.
5?
Thank you.
I thought these elevators were locked with a key, but it works. However, you need that card.
Oh. It's okay.
This is a Quality Allied elevator.
Oh, that's the things.
We're at 7. Let's see where this opens.
Going?
Yeah, let's go up. Thank
Look.
you.
This is what the building looks like. We're a bit early.
Okay, I see you there.
So now we get a look. There goes that one. Oh my god, we're stuck?